Today's Xone quick tip, I'm gonna show you how to use the master insert feature of the Xone 96 to integrate insert effects such as this RMX1000. Let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is connect the send of the Xone 96 with 1/4" TS cables into the input of the RMX1000. Next, we'll connect the output of the RMX1000 into the return of the Xone 96, again using TS cables. Now, while the Xone 96's insert does have the ability to use balanced connectivity, in this situation, the RMX1000 only has unbalanced connections. On the RMX1000, make sure that the connection switch is set to master. Alright guys, now that you've got everything connected, your entire master bus is running through the RMX1000 the way this unit was intended to be used, as an insert effect. You're literally inserting the RMX just before it's going to the sound system. Now keep in mind, by doing so, if you overload this RMX1000, you will hear audible distortion. So be sure to keep your eyes on the levels. And if you're still unclear about the differences between send, return, and insert effects, let us know down in the comments and I'll be sure to make a video for you guys explaining the differences between the two. See you guys next week.